What's good, family? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make cheeseburger sliders. Very quick and very easy. Your kids will love it. Matter of fact, the whole family will love it. Right now I'm just grinding the meat down, cooking the meat down. I'm about to drain the grease off. Meat done. Now I'm adding my onion soup mix. This is gonna take the cheeseburger sliders to a whole nother level. Add some mayo, like 2 tablespoons. Add some mustard. Now we going in with the ketchup. Go get a good stir. Make sure we mix it up real good. Going in with the cheese. Or a little pan. The hardest part for me, cutting that bread, getting it all even. You know what I mean? Now we're finna add our meat. We're gonna spread it out real good. I use two packs of Hawaiian Rolls too, so cover the pan, the size of the pan that I have. Now we'll go with the mozzarella. Put some mozzarella cheese on top of that. Go with some pickles. I'm not gonna put pickle on all of them, because some of my kids don't like pickles on their cheeseburger, which I don't understand because, they can eat a whole jar of pickles up by themselves, you know what I mean? But you don't want no pickles on your cheeseburger. They be tripping me up. Going with the sliced cheese. Like I say, this is, a very easy and quick meal that you can make, on the nights that you really don't feel like cooking, you know what I mean? Just throw this together, you know what I mean? Take like 30 to 45 minutes to make. Top of the bread on. Get that right. Now we go spray the top with some oil. We'll cover it with some aluminum foil. We'll throw it in the oven, 30 minutes. And the aluminum foil, that just help, that keep it moist, stop the bread from getting hard. So it's best to, cover it up with aluminum foil. There you go, here we go. Finished product, looking real good. I forgot to put my little sesame seeds on top of it. I had to taste it. See what it tastes like. Make sure I did everything right. Yes. You don't want to come out. There we go. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Cheeseburger sliders for the family. Yeah, they was good too, but thank you for watching. don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out.